Tired of chopping onions until you cry or fighting with flimsy blenders that just can't handle real prep work? Let's fix that right now. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of Cuisinart food processors to find the exact one that actually belongs on your kitchen counter. There are dozens of models out there, and honestly, they all look pretty identical at first glance. But I have spent serious time testing these machines, chopping, slicing, and shredding everything in sight, just to see which ones actually deliver on their promises. Number 6. Cuisinart DFP14BCNY 14-cup food processor. This thing is an absolute monster on the countertop. When I first pulled it out of the box, the sheer weight of the base told me it meant business. It is clearly designed for the home chef who is cooking for an army or doing massive meal prep on Sundays. The brushed stainless steel finish looks incredibly professional, giving off that classic old-school kitchen workhorse vibe that a lot of people really love. Here is what matters when you're using a machine this massive. The motor is practically industrial, boasting 720 watts of power that just tears through whatever you throw at it. It features a ridiculously large feed tube, which sounds great on paper because you can drop whole potatoes or block cheese right in there without cutting them first. You get standard stainless steel slicing and shredding discs, plus a chopping blade that spans the incredibly wide 14-cup bowl. In practice, I used this to shred huge blocks of sharp cheddar and mix up some very heavy pizza dough. It handles those heavy-duty tasks beautifully, barely even vibrating on the counter. If you make bread or large batches of salsa, the capacity is genuinely a lifesaver. You can prep enough ingredients for a massive dinner party in about 3 minutes flat, which is pretty amazing. Well, here is where reality hits. Because it is so massive, it is a total pain to store. I mean, unless you have endless cabinet space, this thing is going to live on your counter forever. Five, Cuisinart FP130SS Core Custom 13-Cup Multifunctional Food Processor. On paper, this looks like the perfect compromise between the giant 14-cup and a standard kitchen size. It has a slightly more modern design featuring sleek control paddles instead of the classic heavy buttons. When I set it up, I really appreciated how the attachments have their own removable storage hub, which keeps things relatively organized. Let me explain the features. It comes with a powerful 950-watt motor, giving you high, low, and pulse options to play with. The real selling point here is the whole multifunctional claim, as it includes a reversible shredding disc and an adjustable slicing disc. The bowl is completely sealed around the middle, which is a massive upgrade if you have ever had soup or liquid leak out the center ring of an older food processor model. Testing this out was definitely interesting. The adjustable slicing disc is genuinely fun to use when you are making a potato gratin or a fruit tart. You just dial in the exact thickness you want and watch it slice perfectly uniformly. The 13-cup capacity is still large enough to handle a double batch of pie crust, but it feels slightly more manageable in your hands than the 14-cup beast. But here's the catch. While the extra accessories sound amazing, they are incredibly frustrating in real life. The adjustable disc gets jammed so easily, especially with softer veggies like tomatoes or bell peppers. Four, Cuisinart ECH4SV Elemental and Core Custom 4-Cup Chopper Grinder. Sometimes you absolutely do not need a massive machine, and that is where this little guy truly shines. I actually found myself reaching for this one more often than I expected during my daily cooking routine. It is incredibly compact, lightweight, and takes up practically zero footprint on the counter. The features here are super straightforward. You have a simple auto-reversing smart blade that chops on one setting and grinds on the other. It holds exactly 4 cups, which is basically perfect for those small, quick jobs that pop up all the time. The blade lock system is a massive plus here, meaning the blade stays put when you are pouring out your ingredients, so it doesn't fall into your food.
I use this primarily for the annoying little tasks that make cooking tedious. Tossing in a few cloves of garlic, a chunk of ginger, and some chilies to make a quick paste takes literally 5 seconds. It is also brilliant for grinding hard spices or nuts. Making a quick single batch of guacamole or a simple vinaigrette is where this machine completely outshines the bigger, bulkier models. The performance for its size is fantastic. You know you're not going to make bread dough in this, but it knows exactly what it is designed to do and does it perfectly. It feels snappy and highly responsive. The reverse grinding action actually pulls ingredients down into the blade, which prevents things from just flying up and sticking to the lid like they do in cheaper mini choppers. Three, Cuisinart Pro Custom 11-Cup Food Processor. This model has been around in some variation for years, and after testing it, I completely understand why people refuse to part with theirs. It has that classic, slightly retro boxy shape with the wide base and the heavy-duty paddle switches. It honestly feels like a piece of commercial kitchen equipment that somehow made its way into a home. Let me break down the features. It runs on a beautifully quiet but incredibly powerful motor that just does not quit. The 11-cup work bowl is arguably the perfect size for standard home cooking. It comes with a stainless steel chopping blade, a medium slicing disc, and a shredding disc. There is an extra large feed tube, plus a smaller insert for guiding things like carrots or celery so they don't fall over during slicing. When I put this to the test, it was pure joy. I shredded a pound of mozzarella in about 10 seconds, and the motor did not even flinch. I whipped up a batch of pie dough, and the butter cut into the flour perfectly evenly. It just feels remarkably solid. There's no shaking, no rattling, just smooth, consistent power that handles whatever you feed it. The real beauty of this machine is its sheer reliability. It doesn't have variable speeds or complicated touchscreens to break down over time. It just turns on, gets the job done perfectly, and turns off. The bowl locks into place with a satisfying snap, and cleaning the basic parts is quick and completely painless. 2. Cuisinart 9-Cup Food Processor. I have to say, this size really hit the sweet spot for me during my testing. When you are looking at food processors, 9 cups sounds a little specific, but it is actually the exact capacity most standard recipes seem to naturally require. It has a beautifully streamlined look that feels modern without being overly complicated. Here is what matters with this model. It features a genuinely simple assembly system. Gone are the days of wrestling with the bowl to get it to lock into the exact right groove before the machine will start. The blade fits perfectly snug, and the lid snaps on easily with no fuss. It includes a reversible slicing and shredding disc, which means you have fewer sharp parts to store safely in your kitchen drawers. I tested this heavily with everyday recipes to see how it held up. Making a batch of hummus was incredibly smooth, yielding a creamy texture that lesser machines just cannot achieve. Slicing cucumbers for a quick pickle took mere seconds, and the slices were perfectly uniform. It handles a block of cheese effortlessly, making taco night prep insanely fast and kind of fun. What really impressed me was how quiet it operates compared to some of the older, bulkier models. You can actually hold a normal conversation while it is running. The machine feels incredibly sturdy on the counter, yet it is light enough to easily move in and out of a cabinet if you don't want it sitting out all day. Cuisinart FP110AG Core Custom 10-Cup. Let me tell you, this machine completely changed my mind about what a modern food processor should feel like. It takes all the lessons Cuisinart has learned over the decades and packs them into what I consider the absolute perfect kitchen tool. Let me explain exactly why it takes the top spot. The design is sleek, intuitive, and the 10-cup capacity is the absolute Goldilocks zone. Not too big, not too small. It features a powerful 500-watt motor with simple paddle controls for high, low, and pulse. But the real genius here is in the thoughtful customization. It comes with a premium chopping blade and reversible slicing and shredding discs that just work flawlessly. Using this machine is an absolute dream. I threw together a complex salsa, and the pulse function gave me precise control so it did not turn into a watery, mushy soup. I made a batch of falafel, and the motor powered through the dried chickpeas and herbs with zero hesitation. The results are incredibly consistent every single time, whether you are doing heavy, dense doughs or delicate herbs. The ease of use is where it truly outshines the competition. Everything snaps together with zero frustration, which is rare for food processors. The sealed work bowl prevents leaks, and the parts are entirely dishwasher safe, making cleanup extremely quick. It does not vibrate aggressively across the counter, it does not sound like a jet engine, and it stores away beautifully when you're done. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.